All right, just gonna do a quick tune up here. You gotta take these, I put a little screwdriver on the back here. Hey.
What are you wearing?
I got my GoPro on.
I gotta get to work.
All right, did you bring me a coffee? You didn't know to.
Well, I picked up a Target order and I got myself a Starbucks, but I thought I was like, oh, does she want Starbucks? But then I was like, I don't think she likes anything from Starbucks.
Don't ever call it Starbs again.
Oh, sorry.
All right, I'll be in a little bit. Okay, bust these loose. I like to wipe these all off real good. And then, what we're gonna do, clean these off first. 4. 3. Morning. We're gonna do I'll take my blow gun. And I will the new ones. We're gonna have to gap them. Okay. Now this engine is a little bit warm, so I'll break these free by hand before just slam dogging them with a impact gun. I do not put spark plugs in with an impact gun. I only take them out with an impact gun. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got 1, 2, 3. Let's check the gap on these. 30. I don't know what the gap spec is, but let's get them prepped. A 14 Equinox with the 2.4. So 2014 Equinox 2.4 gap is 30 to 35. Let's see what these are. It's 30. It's 30. 30. 30. All right, these are already set. Let's go back over. And don't put anything on the threads. Drop these in there carefully as to not bend the electrode. Oh yeah, turn that girl. Snug. Do not have to crush these. I'm just going to hit them with my ratchet, and then I will go back and torque them to manufacturer's spec. One thing that I do when I do tune-ups is I like to write the coil number on the coil so that I know, one, that I did the tune-up and what cylinder it is. So I'll put, with this disc vehicle did not have a problem. We're doing this for maintenance. So I'm not concerned about the coils being mixed up or that the coils are bad. That's good, that's good. That's good. Push these down. Oops. One, two, 3, 4. They do not have to be very tight. This is coil number 1. This is the front of the engine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then now we will clean the throttle body. After you clean the throttle body, I am going to have to do an idle relearn because I just changed the air flow, the air composition. I don't even know if you can see what I'm doing. Adjust this. Oh, yeah, get it in there. Get them plates clean. Okay, that's clean there. Okay. Let's put the engine cover, this cover back on. But first, you have to watch this thing, and you might have to take the oil cap off just kind of get it set. We can put this back on. One thing that I will do, although it's not due, is I'm going to check the oil real quick. And it doesn't look the greatest. Ooh, it's low. That's low on Earl. Let me top her up. The oil causes it to look pretty milk chocolatey. I'm just trying to get as much of that out of there as possible. I don't know the history of this car except for they called me up and said, hey, I'm in town. Can you do some spark plugs? Okay. Let me just fit this back in here. So there's two nubbins on the back there I gotta make sure are put in. Then the front goes on the throttle body. Okay, there's that. Get the one up. There we go. The throttle body. Get that one pushed back, and that one, and this. Tighten this down. This screw is down like right here. I will I'm going to put 1 quart of oil in it. Spray this off. Then the other thing I like to do, I'll put plugs. Plugs done. All right, let me get some oil. I'm gonna put oil in it, and then I will bring you along for the relearn. All right, we're back here. It's a 2014 Equinox. I'm going to do a scan, see which modules are in here. And this one, if I'm not mistaken, will have a idle reset. I'm going to go right for the ECM. I don't need to do a system scan because the check engine light was not on. But we're going to go special functions, reset, engine oil, life, fuel, trim. Learn functions, we're going to go idle learn, and it's probably going to say, so right now the key is on command state, so it was commanding an extra 60% of the throttle opening for idle compensation, so I'm going to reset that. Boom, 0. So now it now that has been reset. We're going to start it up. So anytime you clean the throttle body, you have to basically tell the computer, hey, we need to relearn this because I cleaned it. I'll read fault codes. I don't think that there's going to be any in there. Oh, exhaust position actuator solenoid valve. Oh, they're pretty common. That was a pass and a fail. They're super common. I might need to see if she wants to do this. All right, well, I did the relearn. See, it's running well. There's no warning lights on, but I want to see whether or not she knows that the light had come on or not. But in any case, I'm going to end the video there, but that's how you basically do spark plugs on the 2.4 liter, almost all the cars and all the Equinoxes and the GMC, the Terrains, they're all very similar. So I hope this helped somebody. Like and subscribe. Thanks.